If you hit the wrong passcode too many times, you'll disable your iPhone. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone using an Apple computer. First, plug in the lightning cord. Next, connect it to your computer. Now, if you're using the MacBook, you want to download an app called Apple Configurator, where you can download from the App Store. Look up Configurator, and it looks like this, so open it. Now, back with your iPhone, you want to press volume up, down, and power button. Keep holding. You'll see the screen go black. Apple logo comes back. Do not let go of the button. And there, the phone is going to show up on the screen. You're going to want to double click. Go to update. You'll see the message. Click restore. Agree to the terms. And now it'll start downloading the latest iOS to your computer. So once it's done, it'll transfer it to your iPhone. This process can take up to an hour depending on your internet connection. Once it's done downloading, it's going to unzip the file and begin installing iOS. So at this point, your iPhone will have an Apple logo with a loading bar underneath, which means it's loading the latest iOS version to your iPhone. This process will happen twice, and it can take up to 20 minutes. By the second time, you'll see this message on your computer. Just hit OK, and wait for your iPhone to finish loading. And when it's done, you can swipe up, go through the initial settings, default, quick start, Wi-Fi, password, continue. And this is the point where you'll see if your iCloud is still attached to your iPhone. If it's not, it'll look like this. Hit continue, and simply finish up with the initial setup.
The colors of the...
And once you're finished, you can begin using your iPhone. Now, if you need to log into your iCloud, go to Settings, Apple Account, and log into your new iCloud or your old existing iCloud. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one.